Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to track order on Shopify app, right? So it's very easy to do it. First of all, you have to just open the Shopify mobile application here, and once get open, you can just order or whatever. Then the place where you can track your order is this. So if you just click on this, here you will able to track all your orders, right? So for example, let's click on add order, right? And once you click on add order, you will able to add order, and you can just purchase any of the product from here. Just go into the cart and click on continue to checkout, and once you do it, just wait for a few seconds, right? And here you will get this option to pay, and once you get the option to pay, you can just pay on it, and after that you will ultimately able to track your order that where it has reached, right? So here I can just pay for this product, right? And once it's done, I will able to track it over my in this section. So this is how you can track your order. You can say to track more orders, connect another email that you use for online shopping. You can also manually add a package. So I hope guys you found this video very useful. If you did, subscribe.